I don't know who I'm talking to, but I want you to understand that life is not a game, bro. This thing is not a game. This shit is real. Better start taking your life too serious, man. Because nobody's gonna do that for you. Life is not a game. You only get to live it once. You know what I mean? You better make sure that it counts. Because at the end of it all, you don't want to be old, sitting there with regrets and stuff. You better make sure that you do whatever it takes, man. You better make sure that you break every boundary, man. This thing is not a game. Better start taking this thing serious, bro. Better start taking this thing serious. Start making some serious changes.